Hi, I'm Heidi from WTI. I love to crochet, and this crochet hooks and bowl set from Vintage Life have really helped up my game for crocheting. These hooks and bowl are made of a beautiful rosewood, and not only is this wood so beautiful in the different colors, but the attention to the detail that they have put into it is absolutely stunning. This set comes with 7 different hooks, ranging from 4 to 10. I love the fact that the handles on these hooks are designed for anyone who has troubles with their hands like I do. These hooks work so well with different yarns. They glide easy, they don't get stuck. They're so nice to use. This bowl is so nice to use for your yarn because you can put your yarn in and then have the yarn that you're pulling out go through this little loop so that it's easy to pull when you're working on a project. This crochet bowl and hook set I use all the time. Doesn't matter what project I'm doing, these are my go-to, and that's my point of view.